today's video, we are diving into the one of the most important part of UI design, color, fonts and basic design principles. These are the elements that decide how our design feels, how user read it and how professional it look. So let's get started. Let's start with a color palette and font selection. Your color palette should match your brand and the message you wanted to convey. For example, blue feels trustworthy, green feels calm and natural, and red feels bold and strong. Choose two to four main colors. First for primary action, first reaction, one for secondary elements, and 1 to 2 for background and highlights. Now talk about the font. Choose font that are clean and easy to read. Most modern UI designs use sans serif fonts like Poppins, Inter, Roboto, and Moncetra. Avoid using many fonts. Stick to one main font for heading, same font for body text with a different weight: bold, medium, and regular. Color contrast. Next is color contrast, which is a very important for readability. Your text should always be visible clearly against the background. So for the layout and background color, now okay, from click left button, go to plugins and click on manage plugin and search color contrast checker. Okay, so color contrast checker. Okay, and run this plugin. Okay. Select frame and click on check. So you can change color. Okay, and okay, okay, so you can check color and done. Okay, so now we check. Okay, the test case is passing. Okay, so color contrast will help you to make your text visible against background. For example, dark text on light background, light text on dark background. Local light contrast make text look faint and hard to read. Good contrast improve clarity, accessibility and user comfort. Styles. Styles is how you visually express your designs, like spacing, shadow, button styles, border radius, and so on. A clean style generally means enough white space, don't clutter, smooth, rounded corners, simple and minimal shape, clear hierarchy, important things should stand. Remember, good UI is simple, clear, and visually balanced. So, okay. So typography is not just about choosing fonts. Okay, it is about how you arrange text in your design. Okay, so let's add a text. Okay, plugins, lorem. Okay, and add a pair. So typography is about how you arrange your text. Okay, so you can go typography, select text layer, typography, and then you can make changes. Okay, we change. Okay, centered. Print typography. Use different font size for hierarchy. Tile should be bigger, subtitled, medium, and body text small but readable. Also maintain the lines spacing so the text look open and not squeezed. Okay. Good typography makes your design look professional and comfortable to design. Consistency in design, and finally the consistency. Whatever style you choose, stick to it throughout your design. This means same button styles, same font styles for heading, same spacing rules, same color uses. Consistency build a brand identity and make your UI look clean, polished, and trustworthy. Okay, so for consistency in your design, you can create styles. Okay, so go to styles, click on add. Okay, select text. Okay, so now, okay, so text XT regular and text size 24. Okay, okay, so font size Poppins. Okay, so regular text and font size is 24. Okay, and create styles. Okay, one more. Okay, txt bold and font size 24. Okay, okay, bold Poppins 24. Okay, create style. Okay, so select text layer, go to apply styles. Okay, and select your text style. Okay, same for colors also. Go to styles, select colors, primary color, okay, and select your color. Okay, and create styles. Okay, primary color and okay, and create variant of your main primary color. Okay, so primary color. Okay, and then okay, create a variant. Okay, so you can easily create variants. Okay, so consistency build brand identity and make your design look clean, polished, and trustworthy. So this is for all about color, fonts, and UI basic. We covered how to pick a color palette and font, importance of color contrast, how to maintain the styles typography, and how consistency make your design professional.